here's 13 reasons why you need to use a Telegram signal copier in 2025. Okay, number one is best customer support. Now, it's important to have a good customer support because, let's be honest, it's needed. If anything does have a hiccup or anything like that, then you need that customer support. Now, TSC owns that, which no other copier has, which you can tell by these Trustpilot clips that we are showing you currently. Number two is multiple trading platforms. Now, it's good to have multiple different platforms available for the Telegram signal copier, because let's be honest, you don't want to just do it on one, or some people are not, some are fans of others and some are. So this does support a MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, C Trader, DX Trade, and also my personal favorite, Trade Locker. Okay, number three is AI image. Now, TSC AI image option broke the barrier of copying signals from the Telegram alone, including copying the entry price, stop loss price, and TP price from the image. So it's nice and easy, nice and simple, and it does it all for you. Now, number four is prefer your entry price. Okay, so this is exactly how you can be in full control of taking the entry price amongst the mentioned entry price. Okay, so if you don't like the look of the entry price, you can modify this. You can do bits and pieces that you need to feel that more secure in the trade. Okay, so number five is delay entry function. Okay, now this is a absolute game changer if you are linking this to a prop firm challenge, because as you know, some terms and conditions don't allow people to all enter the trade at the same time. They obviously pick up on the fact it's copying. So the fact that you can delay the entry, this will mean that you can use the same channels to pass these challenges. Okay, so number six is stop loss and take profit in pips. Okay, so TSC has crossed the barrier when signal provider mentioning pips for the stop loss and TP instead of prices. So instead of just receiving 1.61111, etc., what they would do is they would say 10 pip stop loss, 15 pip stop loss, or like 50 pip take profit, for example. Okay, number seven is customized risk management. Okay, so there are three risk of modes of risk. You have split risk and special risk for special pairs. Okay, so what this means is it basically means that you can be in control of your money, whether you want to risk a lot more, whether you want to split your risk across multiple different trades, or if you want to risk your total amount you want to risk all on one trade. You have multiple different options for you. Okay, number eight is pip modification. Okay, this is another game changer for the prop firm challengers by modifying the entry, stop loss, and take profit pips while a trade comes in. Okay, number nine is stop loss and TP override mode. Okay, so if the signal provider might have good entry, but he uses a bigger stop loss than meets your trading plan, or even the TP is further away than what you're used to, you basically are risking too much. So you can modify those. You can override what they have put on. You can edit them. You can move them back into that risk management that you're used to and that what you want to do. Which basically moves us on to number 10, stop loss and TP price editing. Okay, so the provider mentions stop loss and TP later in the signal message, and through this editing option, traders can catch the stop loss and take profit price later, as when the signal provider mentions it. Okay, number 11 is trailing stop loss. That's one of the crucial strategies in trading, is trailing your stop loss and take profit. What you want to do is do this as the market is moving in your direction. So the stop loss will be, let's say, for example, 5 pips below entry. So every time it goes up 10, your stop loss will move up 5, for example. So it will continuously be only 5 pips away. So if it does start to turn, you always make the profit. Number 12 is smart profit lock. Okay, so many traders don't prefer to run full lock for other TP trades after any TP hits. Okay, in this case, smart lock opens a path for the traders to ensure minimizing the risk for them. And finally, 13 is AI configuration and export import configuration file. Okay, so now configuring a TSC copier has become so easy when the introduced AI keyword configuration. No need to input the keywords manually anymore in the copier when AI will do all of that work for you. Besides, the trader can easily save his configured files for further uses and even shares it with others as well. Now there you have it, guys. That is 13 reasons why you should choose Telegram Signal Copier in 2025. Let me know down in the comments your opinion and if you feel I've missed any off that list. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.